Wow, the sun's so bright. Thank God for this button.
Technologia!
If you are looking for electric vehicle that is spacious, luxurious and powerful, this is perfect for you. Introducing BMW iX xDrive40 Sport. This bad boy is pumping out 522 horsepower, one owner only, super low mileage of only 35,000 and is packed with features. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. Still one of the best looking EVs on the market. This unit comes in fantastic looking sapphire black paintwork, comes optioned out with 21-inch rims that look super fantastic on this car, and overall design is simply wow. Okay, this is an all-electric vehicle. There is no petrol variant for this, unlike the iX3 and etc. Yes, this is an xDrive. For BMW speak, it means it's an all-wheel drive vehicle. The tail lights is super slick. I absolutely love this. Now let's check out the boot space. Of course, the boot space is fully electric and the space is absolutely massive. Even comes with original BMW umbrella, still in its original packaging. And below here we have all the charging wires in its original packaging as well. Now let's close this. This car comes packed with features. All four doors come with soft closing. Behind, super mega massive space for your rear passenger. Beautiful leather interior in castania red color with blue color seat belts. Super striking, super cool. I super like this. Rear passenger aircon, of course. We have some charging ports for your passengers as well, and absolutely gorgeous panoramic roof. And now let's go in. All right, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very beautiful, spacious and luxurious cabin. Guys, look at these seats. I absolutely love the stitching. The leather is very soft. The shape is so beautiful. And honestly, these are the most comfortable BMW seats I've ever sat on. We have flat bottom, flat top steering wheel. Very nice to hold. The leather feels fantastic. Digital speedometer cluster integrated with your infotainment screen, which is of course touchscreen, but can also be controlled with this control over here. Just look at how beautiful this is. This is wood. It is matte, very nice to touch, and all these buttons are actually integrated into this panel. You can control the infotainment with this crystal knob over here, and also your gear selector is also crystal. And let me show you this. Of course, this car comes with 360 camera. And another cool thing, when I turn the steering, the camera will follow as I turn the steering. This is really very cool. Let's put it back to park, go home. The seats are fully electric, of course. They come with memory settings, and look, even the seat controls are made of crystal. And of course, it comes with Harman Kardon sound system that sounds fantastic. I already showed you the panoramic roof that can be also controlled with this. You can actually, the tinting is electric, super cool, super mega future, and frameless mirror is well, very nice. All right guys, have another look. Honestly, in my short video it is very hard to go through all the beautiful features this car has, but it is such a fantastic drive. Super powerful, super comfortable, super spacious, and smells like a new car still. All right, on COE we still have 5 years and 6 months left. This car is an agent unit, comes with a very nice warranty package, and you want to know more, you'll know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.